Hello everyone and welcome back to HighTech Garage. In today's video I will show you how to download VLC, find the IP address of your Hikvision camera and stream the live video feed on VLC. Let's get started. First we need to download VLC Media Player. Open your browser and go to videolan.org. Click download VLC and choose the correct version for your OS. Install VLC. Once installed, open VLC to make sure everything works. Download SADP to find the IP address for our Hikvision camera. Now that we have the camera's IP address, go to VLC and open the network stream. And we'll put the RTSP stream URL. Hikvision cameras use this format. And that's it. Thank you.